One more question that is coming to my mind is about the gold. See, for Indians, gold is not just an investment. It's also about, being emotionally attached. For women, it is a sense of power. It's a sense of, beauty. It's a sense of, being owner of something which is of lot of value. So, what do you suggest with the rising prices of gold? Is it still advisable to invest in gold, or for the time being, we should stay away from it and wait for it to come down a little? So, what would you, give your thoughts on that?
Very relevant question, Ritu. Thanks for raising this question because it will allow me to talk about how people should look at gold as an investment asset class. Okay, so
Okay.
I divide your question in two parts. First, gold will always be a great asset class as long as and provided you expect right return expectations from gold. You will not
Hmm.
have, every time 2020 to 2025 that gold has doubled and will keep doubling. It will never happen. From
Right.
2020 to 25, gold doubling was a phenomena of de-dollarization. Central banks buying gold left, right, center. In between,
Right.
COVID kind of crisis came in, which actually gave thrust to the precious metals, both gold and silver.
Right.
Every time will is 5 years, right? So the point
Hmm.
is, when you're investing into gold, you get into a commodity which is hedging your other asset classes. Your expectation has to be in 5 years, gold will deliver you 8 to 9% kind of return per annum.
Okay. Okay.
This is the
Okay.
expectation you should have because you
Okay.
should never be disappointed with return. And if you think that next 5 years gold will again double, it may
Okay.
happen, but then your expectation is wrong, right?
Right.
Let me tell you a number. Last 40 years, gold has become 100 times. And
Right.
last 14 years, 14 years, I remember gold used to be 20,000 in 2011,
Right.
20,000.
Right.
Today, the gold, all of us know, is almost touching, 1
Yeah.
lakh figure.
Yeah.
So five times in last 14 years is an amazing return. But
Right.
will it return? I think the long-term outlook for gold is I'm very, very bullish on both gold and silver. But when I say
Okay.
long-term, then stay invested for 5 years, number one. Number two, when you're investing into gold now, which is already at elevated level, try not to invest in one shot. Divide your investment at least in four
Oh.
to five tranches and invest,
Okay.
say, every month one tranche, looking at the the price of the gold. Because
Okay.
when what would happen? Gradually you will see rupee appreciating, and when rupee appreciates, in rupee term, gold will go down. This will happen for
Oh.
sure. So what
Oh.
I'm trying to say, let's not put all the money in one shot and then say gold is giving you negative return. Stay,
Oh.
get into gold in tranches and just allow gold to slightly cool down because of multiple factors. As I mentioned, one of
Right.
the factors is that rupee will appreciate gradually and gold price in rupee term will go down. And that's how
Right.
you will enter more and more gold. But then the right tenure is 5 years plus, and the right expectation of return is 8 to 9% per annum.